Hello and welcome to another Millgate school tutorial, this time looking at Zoom. Now Zoom is a really useful video conferencing piece of software that you can use on your web browser or you can download onto your computer or your phone to use to allow you to communicate with, in our case, with staff at Millgate, or for us with students, with parents, with each other. It's a really useful tool, and I'm just going to show you how you can access Zoom and join and host calls. So first things first, I'm going to open my web browser. So I'm going to just go to Google Chrome and go for a new tab. I'm going to search just literally for Zoom. You see, for me, it comes up as the top search result here. I'm just going to click on it. And what I'd want to do then is just go to sign up. It's free after all. I'm just going to enter a random date of birth here. This bit doesn't really matter. Yeah, I'm really old, so let's go way back when. That's right. I just look really good for my age. Then I'm just going to put in the email address I would like to register my account with. And learn to spell it at the same time. There we go. I press sign up. It's now going to send me an email. So if you're trying to set up for a student, you can enter a student's email. You can do it to your email. It's your choice. What I will now get in a moment is a pop-up saying I've been sent an activation link. I can click that and it will take me through to finish making my account. There you go. It's popped up on the bottom right there. That is it now done. So we close that. So, once you have then made your account, which isn't more difficult than just following the email you get sent, you can sign in. So, enter your email address, enter your password, and sign in. So then you come to your account screen. Now don't worry about all the jargon on the screen there. The bit you want to look at is up here in the top right, where you have the join a meeting option and host a meeting option. To start with, I'm just going to show you how to host a meeting. So this is if you want to try and contact someone. I'm going to go with video on if you want to do a video call. So what you see now is it's prompting me to open a Zoom meetings window. I've got it installed, but for yourself this will try to do it in the browser. So you just say open Zoom meetings. You'll give it a moment to connect while it sets up the call. It now says connecting, and there we go. So normally you'll press the join with computer audio option. If I do that, it's going to mess up this recording, so I'm not going to. So I'm just going to ignore that. And then this window here with the lovely raccoon is my Zoom. Now at the moment no one else is in there at the moment, but what I have is this other window here. And what I can do is press copy invitation, and then I can send the link it's just copied to anyone through email, Facebook, Twitter, any means you want. Just send them the link and then they can join this meeting. And when you're done talking, you can simply just go to close, and you can either leave if you want to keep it going or do end meeting for all. Boom. That is me having just hosted a call. Now say if I wanted to join someone, best thing to do is, like what you just did, have the person who's hosting the call send you a link to join. So I've been sent one already on another window, so I'm going to click it and it'll open me to the same window we had a moment ago, where it's now asking me to open Zoom. So I am going to do that. Again, you're getting all the personal information about your account pop up. That's fine. That's if you want to get the link as well. Now I need to be let in onto the other side. And what you see is when it connects, it does take a bit of time. Again, I'm not going to join with computer audio, but I am now in a call. So from here I can, again, start my video. I can be the red fox to everyone. I can talk and do whatever I need to do. What is really useful through this as well as being able to see and talk with someone, I can also share screen. So if I want to show what's going on another screen or show some work or anything like that, I can do that through selecting one of these options. So if I wanted to share my third screen, which is literally just running a bunch of junk, I would just click that. Or if I wanted to share this screen, I'll just click it. And then we select the share button here to do that. And that way we can share content, lessons, and anything else that we would like. And like before, if we want to leave this, we simply close the bits like this, and it's all gone. All I'll have left at the end is the web browser, which I can just close. And that is essentially how to set up a Zoom meeting. You don't have to do video. You can join, leave with video on or off, and you don't even have to speak. It does have chat functionality, So if you want to join and just listen, you can mute your microphone and do whatever you need to do. It is a really, really useful and versatile tool, and we hope this video helps you get online with it because it is really, really useful. Thank you. Bye bye.